Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. Today we'll be looking at top 5 coins that you can buy in the month of November because November could bring some interesting moves in crypto market. Here are 5 coins I will be keeping my eyes on, of which I expect you to do the same in this November month. But actually this is not a financial advice. You are bound to make your own research before doing any investment. Alright, so before I dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this channel, do well to subscribe to this channel, like the videos, share the videos so that a lot of people can gain value from it. The first coin I want to go into mention right here is Solana. You all know what it is. You can see the market is talking about it. And did you know why I found so much interest in this Solana? I'll show you. Solana have fell deeply down in the past few days or even few weeks. You can see where it dropped from. It has made a very huge downtrend. Okay, it has undergone a very big bearish in the past days. It came down from over 240 and now it's reading 157.9. It is one of the major reasons I have chosen to invest in this Solana, because for it to be down for like a while, it means there's going to be another movement in a soon time. Now let's look at it. The market is with it. The market is talking about it. And here is what exactly is going on with the Solana. You can see it has developed a reasonable market cap even in the past few days. So after taking a very deep low, is trying to come over up again. Looking at it, it has an all-time high of 294. Okay, all-time high of 294 and all-time low of the 0.5. At the mean you got it at 0.5. Where would you have been today? You can see what it has done in the past 24 hours. 156 low and 164 high. Looking at it, what the market is talking about it. The market is actually bearish, it's actually bullish, and the bearish is just 16%. It shows that it is a coin to invest on. You can make your choice and invest on this particular coin in any exchanges of your choice. You can see this November will be good for this coin. We're going to write down those figures and see what will become of them in the nearest future. You can buy this coin in the Nexo, Binance, and bybit. This coin is traded in a decentralized exchange, but a very powerful ones. Okay. So the next coin I will want us to look at, okay, the next coin I will want us to look at like right away is TA coin. I have been following this TA coin, but you know one of the most fascinating thing about this particular coin went as high as 0.35 in the past days, but all of a sudden it was really affected by the market. The market went into a serious bearish, and this coin fell from this 0.5 to 0.04, even below that in the past days. For this coin to go deep low like this, it means it will come back in the nearest time. But let's look at it. Let's look at its market cap and let's look at what it's doing currently. For that, we'll be introducing coin market cap as we just did. Introducing coin market cap and look for a particular coin called the TA. Okay, the TA means the trust AI. Now look at it. What does it hold? And what will become of this very coin before this month ends? It has a high of 0.04 in the past 24 hours and a low of 0.0 and a high of a high of this 0.04394 and a low of this in the past 24 hours. It means this coin is actually coming up. It has a maximum supply of over 1 trillion, of over 1 billion, which is here. Its total volume for 24 hours is coming up reasonably. It's calculating supply. It's all-time high for the past 24 hours. And also, let's look at it. Let's look at what exactly is having here. Is it bearish or bullish? Actually, this coin has a strong sign of bullish. You can see it. The bullish is over 70% and the bearish is just 27%. This will be a very good one. But you are advised to also make your own personal research before investing on it. And you are also advised to invest not more than you can lose, because crypto market can be funny most of the times. Look at the business news. Let's look at what actually people are talking about it. There's no detail here yet. Okay, so you can look at it on your own. Make your own personal research, because I'm trying to avoid this video being too long. Okay, let's go without waste of time. The next coin we'll be looking at here is SAT. I've talked about this SAT in the past, and all those coins I'm talking about, I've also invested on them. SAT could be the next Bitcoin. It's something we're going to talk about on a separate time. You can see 24 hours low and high on bybit, and it's also a 24 hours turnover. You can see it in this rise cycle. Okay, the coin has also done well in the past, but actually now is suffering a serious blow. Okay, it's suffering a serious blow. The next one I'm going to talk about is the Anstar. You all know about it. Anstar is a very good coin which was launched not quite long. Okay, it was launched not quite long. It was launched actually at 1.2, which was a very strong one, and it took a high to 2.4. Are we expecting 2.8 USD now? Okay, this is actually what I'm looking at. But for us to achieve these aims, it means we must invest and also be patient, so that whenever it comes up, we can sell with a profit and also return to wait for another opportunity. Okay, so take a look at those coins carefully, make your own personal research, and see what actually you can do about them. So looking at those coins, most of those coins I mentioned to you, you can see the TA have invested over 100 USD. Here, I've invested on this. Okay, looking at the SAT also, I've also invested in the SAT. Okay, and many more of them. So how many have I mentioned currently? I've mentioned the SOO, which is the Solana. I've mentioned the Aster. I've mentioned the SATs. I've also mentioned the TA coin. I know what I've forgotten. What I've forgotten is the Mavia. Okay, what I've forgotten is the Mavia. You can see the Mavia also has started doing well in the market, but it fell from a serious volume. Since when this Mavia was launched, it kept dropping. So this is the right time for you to invest on it. Investing on it will bring you something rational. Okay, I've also invested over, let me say, I've invested over 200 here, sorry, over 150 here. You can see what is actually available. Though the market is not yet favoring me, but it will be in the soon time by God's willing. I've held a lot of volume of this particular coin, and it will definitely come up in the nearest future. Okay, so November looks like a potential interesting month for the crypto. The big players BTC, ETH might set also the tone. You can look at those ones also to invest on them, and if they move up, then the altcoin could also benefit, because those ones are the father of the crypto industry market, but there are also real risk